I'm David Arquette, and welcome to Creep IE Con. Woo! I like to say Creepy Con.
Good. Thanks for being here.
Next person.
Make sure how I look like a sunscreen.
I recently watched the movie.
Oh yeah?
You're really good at that.
Thank you.
I was really good at that.
That's a weird film. I like these. The ending's so like. That's cool. You get to see it. We both had haunted experiences.
So the husband gets you really?
Yeah, and well, we were in Winnipeg, Canada. And so it was a haunted hotel across the street. The ghost came to visit us. Yeah, she had the creepiest experience. I was just about to go to sleep and someone went, but nobody was there. And I was like, fuck. She had someone climb in bed. Sheets went back, sat on the bed. She had her back just sort of feeling it. And then he came and put his arm around her and held her. And she finally turned around and like, nothing.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh, how wonderful. Sure.
So made for you a little
Oh,
crown
thank
bracelet.
you. That's amazing. I appreciate that. I love that.
He looks like I heard you were making a documentary.
Yeah, we're sort of adding animation to it right now.
I saw your the other documentary.
Oh, thank you
It
for
was
taking
really
that.
good.
Oh, thank you so much.
Really inspiring.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you. What else? Should I make it out to you or just signature?
Sure. Lindsay, L-I-N-D-S-E-Y. You want to personalize? Oh, yeah.
D-I-N-E-S-U-I?
Yeah.
What's his name? S-T-E-P. I was like, I
Want me
want
to put Dewey or no? Just
Sure, you could do.
see you in a little bit.
I only have one more.
Oh, awesome.
she is. CJ, yeah, CJ is coming here. Oh, perfect, thank you.
Red good or?
Let's do orange.
Perfect, thank you so much.
Awesome,
Thank you.
Hey, it's Lee Waddell, Original Ghostface. We're at Creep IECon 2024, Ontario, California. Getting into the show a little bit early so we can swing by, see some of our great vendors here before we jump in the booth and start signing. Come on. This will be the only time that the Scream team will probably be out of the booth this weekend. Sold out event, sold out photo ops. We're gonna have a great time. So I'm gonna take time now and walk around and see some of our friends. You know, this weekend, not only do we have the whole Scream team together, but we have Texas Chainsaw, right? That's a reunion. That's a great one. We have Sons of Anarchy. That's going to be a great reunion. So I might have to fanboy out and kind of swing by on photo ops and get some photos. So, yeah, it's going to be great. I mean, I so look forward to this convention every year.
Do you ever find yourself purchasing your own Ghostface merchandise at these conventions?
So every once in a while I'll find a piece like, I like handcrafted stuff that the people take the time to do and make and craft, and that's great. So we're gonna swing in here at Small Town Weirdo and hang out with Adam for a second. So check this guy out. He makes talking about one-off stuff, he is the man. He's the one, if you look at the back of my jacket, he's the one that's responsible for this.
How's it going?
It's going. It's great to see you, brother. How are you? Yeah, come on out
This
here.
is yours, by the way.
There we go. Vintage style. So good to see you. Good to see you.
How's it looking back here?
He's freaking rocking. He's holding up well. Oh, so what's super secret that nobody could see? But let's show me.
Secret. I don't know. What's secret, Leslie?
What do you guys? You always have something.
Oh, well, I had these made for my exhibit. You guys can have one. They made during Halloween my own label on a energy drink. So
There you go.
Right?
There you go. We'll put these will be on the table.
I'm not selling them. They're just for the first customers.
I'll just put it over here. I'm like, okay, you got to go see my man. Dane,
Hey, buddy.
what's going on? We're shooting some behind the scenes where I have a brief moment in the world. So you guys got to hit the Chilling app. This is the boss. There's some brains behind the stand up, Chris. Say hi real quick. There's the brains. There's some more brains. Super fun app. Give us the quick lowdown. You got 10 seconds. Hit it. Boom.
The new independent horror streaming platform for everything independent. Films, stories, novels, podcasts, you name it. Go check it out. Chillingapp.com.
Like where else can you get a toilet like that? This is the man, Art Sideshow, Montclair, California. He's got a cool little museum, so if you're in SoCal, it's all of 10 minutes from Convention Center, so go over there and check him out. He's got some great stuff.
Please do.
So that awesome shirt is a collab that Sammy Ruiz and I did. Super talented artist who does a lot of my arts and graphics for me. And take a look at that beautiful, beautiful shirt.